Hello mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Tayo sa wakas is on fire. Yes mga kabablis, 2.2 million pre-sales na nga as of 10 a.m. and counting ang Tayo sa Wakas. Ayon nga dito sa post ng Kapamilya Online World, Tayo sa Wakas is on fire, 2.2 million pre-sales as of 10 a.m. and counting. Tayo sa Wakas is pacing ahead of Unhappy For You and Meet Greet and Buys pre-sales for comparison, while these two have bigger ticket prices, hence the higher pre-sales gross than Tayo sa Wakas. Numerous sold-out screenings are lining up. Congratulations in advance, Don Bell and Star Cinema. Grabe na talaga at patila ba magiging blockbuster movie ito ng ating Don Bell. At syempre mga kabablis, nagkaroon rin ng samot-saring reaksyon ng mga netizens matapos mapanood ang premiere sa pelikula ng Don Bell ang Tayo sa Wakas kagabi. Marami ang sobrang nagandahan, nasaktan at umiyak sa naturang pelikula. Maging ang Don Bell ay bumuhos din ang mga luha matapos mapanood ang kanilang movie. Parents ni Donnie, mom ni Bell, sina Hana at Solana ay umiyak din sa movie. Marami ang sobrang natamaan kay Sesko at Cheska. Marami na rin mga artista ang nagbigay komento at napapost na sa kanilang social media account. At ayon nga dito sa post ni Melay Cantiveros, di ko pwede ikwento ang wakas ng Tayo sa Wakas dahil sa wakas may movie na sila with Direk Cathy Garcia Molina. Kasi pag si Direk Cathy talagang pasok na pasok sa panlasa nating mga Pinoy. Grabe first time kong mapanood ang mga eksena na ganoon sa Don Bell sa movie na to. As in napapikit ang mama ni Bell at napailing mami ang daddy ni Donnie. Kasi tinitingnan ko sila, grabe ang hiyawan, ganda ng story and plus twist. Ayon naman dito sa post ni Direk May Cruz Albiar, I am beyond proud of you Donnie and Bell. This film is so super duper good. You two gave your all and this is the best I've seen from you both. So true, so sincere, so real. I was watching Sesko and Cheska, not Don Bell. I fell in love when you two fell in love and my heart was crushed when things started falling apart. I expected nothing but excellent from Master Story Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana. As always, she delivered even when she says she had to choose her battles. She still managed to create something so beautifully. Miss Ban told about this concept of her dinner 7 years ago and a tear fell even when just a gist of the story. It waited for its right time to be told, and the perfect time is now. Perfect for Don Bell, Direk Cathy, Vanessa Valdez. I'm very happy to watch your beautiful story come to life. Please watch Tayo sa Wakas in cinemas starting tomorrow. Worth your time and money. Last na ba talaga? Break ba muna talaga? No, we want more. At post naman na Derek Peterson Vargas, Tayo sa Wakas, sure na ba tayo Don Bell? Ito muna last project nyo together for now. That was such an emotional ride. I was there with you too, your Sesko and Cheska. Para kaming mga proud trio parents rooting for you all the way. At ayon pa dito sa post ni Darla Soler, hindi pwedeng hindi pa noorin ito. Tayo sa Wakas is a masterpiece. The growth and depth of Donnie and Bell as actors, palpable. Seeing them from beginning up to this film, nakaka-proud, napapanood natin ang trailers, diba? Ay naku, walang-wala po yan sa ibibigay sa'yo ng buong pelikula. You're in for a lot of kilig, kirot, self-awareness, and love acceptance. This will remind you to never forget about your love for someone, to never ever give up dahil anuman ang pagdadaanan nyo, pag binalikan nyo lang yung pagmamahal kung saan nagsisimula ang lahat, ay may tayo sa wakas. As a fan, na-prank lang ba kami? Dahil sa sigaw ng lahat sa loob ng sinihan kanina, malaking injustice pag hindi ito nasundan pa. Yung chemistry na parang di naman inaarti ni na Donnie at Bell, mahirap hanapin yon. Maging si Bianca de Vera ay napakomento na rin. Ayun dito, so tender, so honest, so beautifully done. Cried for like 10 to 15 minutes straight while watching this movie. Congratulations Bell Mariano, Donnie Pangilinan. You both have a way of making people fall into the story with you. I'll always be such a huge fan of the kind of sincerity and heart you both bring into your work. And thank you to Star Cinema for continuing to create stories that make us feel this deeply. You always have a way of making us fall in love, break down, and heal with every story you tell. Kaya naman mga kabablis, sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang Tayo sa Wakas in cinemas nationwide starting today. At narito pa nga ang ilang komento ng mga nakapanood kagabi sa premiere nga ng Tayo sa Wakas.
To go beyond. I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my past to build my future. Keep moving forward.